Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today I will be showing one of the popular recipe of Odisha, that is called Dahi Ambula, which is made in dry mango. It is very tasty and easy to make. To make this recipe I have taken 10 to 12 dry mangoes. I have soaked in water for 30 minutes. Now I will make a paste. So I have taken here 2 tablespoons of mustard seed, 2 green chilli. I have soaked for 10 minutes. To this I will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut and little water. I will make a fine paste of this one. The masala should be this consistency and it should be finely pasted. So now let's make the masala curd ready for this recipe. I have taken here 2 cups of curd. So I will mix for 1 or 2 minutes. I will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar to this. You can add more sugar by your taste. Then I will add half tablespoon of salt and roasted cumin chili powder. Then I will add half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon of black salt. Now to this I will add the masala paste I had prepared with mustard seed, coconut and green chili. I will mix all this masala to curd well for 2-3 minutes. Then I will add a little grated ginger. To this recipe, mango ginger is the best one. It gives nice flavor, but I don't have, so I am using the normal ginger. Now I will add the soaked dry mangoes to this. I will mix all the mangoes well. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut to this. I will mix everything well. You can add little water to this so that the consistency should not be so thick and so thin. The thickness of the curd should be like this. The masala curd with dry mango is ready. So now let's give a tadka. For tadka I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I have added 2 to 3 dry chili and then mustard seed and cumin seed and little hing. I will fry for 2 minutes and then I will add coriander leaves. The tadka is ready now. Let's add into the curd. So now the Odisha popular Dahi Ambula is ready to serve. It is very tasty with rice or chapati. Please make it and give the comment if you like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new recipe. Thank you. Happy cooking.